Ladies and gentlemen, the show goes on non-stop, back-to-back good comedy from comedians of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Coming up next on stage is an actor and, of course, a comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He comes with a special energy and vibe. No wonder some people call him the comedy machine. Lagos, make some noise as we bring on stage Odogwu.
Thank you. You don't do. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you look me like this, so all of us now the thing when I the face, I had the face, so no be everybody will get big belly, get money. Some people are fed up. I no lie now. I saw the matter bio. NCD say they expect over 6 billion naira in educating people on how to wash their hand. That means saying their hand no clean. I saw the matter bio. Thank you. Now for the people who get out. If you don't get the joke, may not say be diploma student. I don't lie. Any girl where they near you, we know they laugh. Now one thing, may not say she wear gido. To make them laugh, they hard. The highest now. I don't lie. You don't see where girl wear gido, they talk to you. How are you? I'm fine. Are you okay? I'm okay. Can you chat? I don't lie you. I don't carry one girl where we are going to go out. If you say, how are you? I'm fine. Are you okay? As I carry and reach, I say, excuse me. I say, yes. Can I make this of your restroom? I say, yes. Now she go restroom. Now she don't lose everything. As she come out, I was expecting to hear, hey. If you hear voice, oh boy. Now die do. I know not say na man I carry. Girls can never, men, I tell you, girls can never cry under makeup. Now lie. Yes, if you take girl, if you make girl, yes, what they go be. So you think you coming down? Oh no. Oh. I don't lie you. There's a difference between our girl or Igbo girl. Tell a white lady, say, baby, you are beautiful. She dey blush. Oh my God. Thanks. Nigerian girl. Ooh. Their heart be like, mama. You blow me, bounce back. Nothing they shock them. Tell Nigerian girl you are beautiful. Go, This I won't sleep with me. Oh. Nigerian girls are not romantic. I'm not gonna lie you. If you don't see where white man they break relationship, if they're sweet oh. You go, yeah, Sandra. I am tired of this relationship. She go, what have I done to you, Jerry? Henry, I'm sorry. You go, yeah, I'm tired. Nigerian girl, tell him in Kiru, I am tired of this relationship. You go, yeah, wow. What a coincidence. Now, me what I tell you. So go walk in a mysterious way. I know that you. And girls, man, they tell you, not be everybody. This is what they put for us. What is that they call them? This is what they call them? Contactless, Abi. Not be every girl the contactless they feel so. I don't see one girl where say get half past I can't go put contactless. He put 1 year, one contact year. Now people can tell him, auntie, your eye they shift too. Then the men I leave me on my eye no shift. Now where my eye then I put them. When the embarrassment don't too much, she can't come out. I can't put them here. She can't get 3 eyes. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Now ladies and gentlemen, I beg you, men. Not be all girls when they see for club be prostitute or ashawo. Girls, am I speaking your mind? Some girls come to enjoy themselves. I don't see one Oyibo enter one club one day, see one girl, say, hello, baby, how much is a night? 90 girl provoke. Are you okay? Are you mad? I'm a doctor by profession. Come on, will you get out of here? I do Oyibo here, doctor by profession. Would you call the apologize? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to embarrass you. All I just need for a girl, all I just need is a girl that will follow me home and I will pay the girl 10,000 pounds. When the girl hear 10,000 pounds, say, come. I'll be a shower. You know FunnyBone, they carry me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me digress a bit. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If your head no smoke, you go, no trial. I don't see one idiot where they smoke, you go for outside. Only me go out sometimes, say, Chama, I beg, go to be your time. Where are you? This is 83 minutes past 5. I asked him, is it AM or PM? He said, no, MP3. Now I know say, now let me educate you in case you don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to learn? There are difference between Indian hemp, marijuana, and Igbo. Now, Indian hemp is for the Indians. That's why Indians go smoke. They fit that 6 hours for movie. Johnny now marijuana is for the Jamaicans. That's why Jamaicans go smoke, go yeah, boom, clack man. Go yeah, for the back man. Rasta fried rice, fried beans, fried plantain, flying yenile. Now the Jamaican will be get that one. Then we can't get Igbo. Igbo is subdivided into 2. Are you learning? Are you learning? We get loud, we get SK. Now the one with my friend where they work for news, channels go smoke, na SK. As he smoke, na newscaster, he go outside, go smoke. They come, they find out. They say, where is Bode George? Now he show. Loud will never give you, loud will only give you 5 minutes grace before he go crazy you. And the guy enter, he don't smoke loud. For him mind, he dey okay. Now they give him paper. What you dey now? Now the director call. Camera on. Tape rolling. News at 7. Action. Now the guy carry paper. Watch here. Good afternoon. My name is Bode George, and this is News at 7. My guy, know they say anything. He start again. Good afternoon. My name is Bode George, and this is News at 7. You won't call using discretion. Federal government defeat Barcelona 2-1. He shake paper again. Chelsea dialogue with Boko Haram. These are more when we come. But the director tell me, you will never come back. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the power of Igbo. I don't see one idiot. Igbo bado. The one we call they pay me pass. Now when I go meet one guy, I say, guy, can you advocate for me? He say, Odogwu, ask me now. I've advocated for so many people. I say, hey. Say, if you defend me, I tell him, say, they accuse me of theft. Oh. He said, go sleep, you don't win the case. On the day of the court case, you know all those clerks now, when they read court case, this thing, number. Now, wait here now. Bang, 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 wait here now. My lord, the case here before us is a case of theft of section 212-414. Now, my lawyer, my own lawyer, they there. The person where they accuse me can't stand up. My lord, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 5, Subsection 65, Paragraph 6. Now my lawyer shout, objection, my lord. The person who shout objection, my lord, he shout back for himself, objection overruled. He sit down. And they look at me, they look me. Now that I know say I don't die. The person where they accuse me can't continue again. He said, my lord, before I was interrupted by my learned colleague, I will have to say that that's the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 5, Subsection 65. Now my lawyer shout, objection, my lord. That same Constitution was amended last week. Chapter 1000. Page 665. When I know say this idiot, the man, I went to go put Bible verse of the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 5. He says, my lord, and I quote, free Mandela. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. My name is Odogwu. My show is coming up October 10, Life at the Theater Culture. Please enjoy me. It's my one-man show. I'm coming for 1 hour, 10 minutes. That's Odogwu, the comedy machine. How about my mind?
Okay.